tops.
Certainly hear those jet engines. Incredible climb performance. And at the top there, 3 snap rolls.
So Rich himself is a former Tornado fighter pilot from the Air Force, who then became an airline pilot. He's been flying competition aerobatics for around 30 years, and for the last decade he's been one of the leading airshow pilots in the UK. Before the display, Rich was literally ratchet strapped into the aircraft to make sure he's completely safe and secure during the extreme G forces that he's going to encounter today, and you can see that happening already.
If you look at the wings, you can see that they are very different shape to the one that Warren was flying a little bit earlier on.
This looks to me like a rolling circle where you're really pushed to the side of the cockpit as you're flying. It's a curious sound, isn't it? The sound of the Pitts engine and those jets. That whistling noise is extraordinary.
Yeah. They're not huge jets, but they deliver about 700 pounds of thrust, and that really gives the thrust ratio of greater than 1 to 1. So vertical manoeuvres are not a problem.